Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical Titanium Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the middle button to open the menu. In the menu, find the general option and tap on it to select it. Then scroll through the general menu, find the language option, and once you find it, tap on it to select it. Here, select the option called language, and now you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through it by swiping on the screen, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, tap on it, and wait until the language is going to be applied. As you can see, it was applied, and now we can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.